Hey there! Welcome to the Zulu Reed Dance Festival 2025, a super fun and important celebration happening right in Southern Africa. This awesome event brings together tons of lovely young ladies, dressed in amazing traditional outfits, carrying reeds to pay tribute to the Zulu king and to commemorate purity, togetherness, and legacy. The road to this festival isn't all about tradition. It's also about making the most of the rhythm, dancing, and spirit of the Zulu tribe. From the lively singing to the fierce moves, every second is brimming with pride in that unique cultural vibe. So let's go on this adventure together, showing off the beauty of Zulu traditions, the energy of the reed dance, and the strong community that's keeping this culture thriving for future generations.
Come on, come on, come on now. Turn around, turn around, turn around now. Take me, I want to dance for me, yeah. Come on, come on, come on now. Turn around, turn around, turn around now. Take me.